Okay, hey guys, I don't know if I should I don't know if I'm y'all could see me good. Hold up. This is the worst time to do the video because I'm rushing because I have a flight to leave in an hour and my thing is dying. This is so funny, but we're gonna hurry up and do this install and review. So hey guys, welcome back. It's Celena Marie and I have a Love Me hair video review to do. So I just want to show you guys what came in the box. It was just like a little paper, the baggie it came in, and then it has this little baggie and it just has like a silk thing and a little elastic thing piece. I think this is if yours breaks on your headband, but it has bobby pins and like a cute hair clip. Then it has these other headbands that I'm not really a fan of besides the white one, or the polka dot one. That's really it. I don't really like the pearl one or the gray one, but the rest of them are cute. And then it comes with a wig cap, 2 wig caps actually. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the Jerry Curl headband wig. This is my first time getting a headband wig. Thank you, Love Me Hair. This is how it looks like combed out. I combed it out because I've been wearing it for a couple days actually. But this is how the curls look. I'm gonna put it on now. So it said like use a comb, like a wide teeth comb, and like I just feel like it would have been better with a brush honestly with this hair, but it has a back comb and then it has 2 combs right here. I'm just wearing a wig cap, and my hair is braided down. Ugh, I hope this doesn't die on you guys. But I hope you like my natural makeup. Like I really didn't do much, just like concealer under my eyes and powder and then like eyelashes and filled my eyebrows a little bit, but I got them done today, so I was like, let me not do much. But I'm just gonna put it like the middle. There's no part, but I'm just gonna do down the middle. We're gonna focus on one side right now, which is the right side. We're just gonna use water. I really like it better with the mousse, but we're just gonna spray water right now. So, because water is good for every hairstyle and mousse is not good for every hair. And then we're just gonna comb it out from the bottom. We're just gonna put some mousse in it because I feel like the mousse really gets the hair the curls it needs. Just gonna glide it through. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but like you could see the curls better. Let me put water at the bottom because I don't want to add more mousse than I already did. And like the bottom is a little bit like frizzy. I don't think the water is really doing anything, but here's how it looks. I think the top really changes more than the bottom because the bottom still looks frizzy, but like I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. But like, okay, let's try this side. Okay, now we're gonna glide the hair through right here on this side. Let's add a little bit of water to the hair. Okay, so this is the hair. It's like poofy, so if you like poofy hair, this is good for you. I love the hair. Everybody's been giving me compliments on it. I do like hair that's like flatter, you know, but I don't know if it's because like I was wearing it out a lot, but I do like putting it in a bun and everything. This is so cute. Hope you guys like it as much as I do. Front, left side, the back, the right side. I feel like the curls need to bounce back more, but it's cute. It's cute. It's giving what it needs to be giving. So you guys can do like a few different styles, like this messy like turn over look, or like a ponytail. Like the ponytail like this, or like a bun, or like a bun like this maybe. I don't know if you guys like buns like this. But I think every style is cute. Love it. Anyways guys, I need to go because this thing is about to die. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video, and yeah.